How to add Bluetooth to an iPod Classic 7th Gen. First, we got to pop off the back cover, which is honestly the hardest part of this mod. Once we're in, we can disconnect the battery and hard drive, then remove the headphone jack from the rear housing, as this is where we'll be hooking up the Bluetooth board. We got to run these 3 wires off the bottom of the headphone jack, which are for the audio signal, and solder them into these 3 holes on the Bluetooth board. The board also needs to run to the battery to be powered, so I then installed both a positive and negative wire here. We can convert the old lock switch to a power switch for the Bluetooth board so we can switch it off when we aren't using it. In order to connect our headphones, we'll also need to install a pair button behind the lock switch. It can be activated by pushing it in, and will pair to the nearest Bluetooth device. Then we can hook that up to our new 3000 mAh battery, which is over 4 times bigger than the original. Now to reconnect the back half to the front half and install our SD cards, which will be replacing the original hard drive. The adapter I used is called the iFlash Quad, and is the only SD card adapter that's slim enough to fit with our upgraded battery. You can technically go up to 2 TB of storage with this mod, although the customer opted for 128GB in this build. Now to just install our additional antenna for extra range, then we can restore it with iTunes and give it a test before sealing it back up. And there we have it. This is probably the 3 most popular mods to do to an iPod in 2024, as it makes the device feel a lot more modern and gives us the functionality people are looking for these days. Follow to revive your old iPod.